The ship you're looking at is called MSC Irina, currently the world's largest container ship by cargo capacity. Operated by the Mediterranean Shipping Company, MSC Irina is designed to move global trade, carrying tens of thousands of containers across continents. The ship stretches nearly 400 meters in length, longer than 4 football fields, and is wider than most city streets. MSC Irina can carry more than 24,000 containers in a single voyage, with a total weight exceeding 240,000 tons. Powering this giant is a massive 2-stroke marine diesel engine, taller than a 4-story building, producing over 80,000 horsepower. Despite its size, the ship is operated by a surprisingly small crew of just a few dozen people, supported by advanced automation systems. MSC Irina represents the peak of modern shipbuilding, pushing the limits of size, efficiency, and engineering. So how was a ship this large actually constructed? Now we will talk about how it was constructed by fully animated videos. This ship is longer than skyscrapers are tall, heavier than 200,000 cars combined, and powerful enough to carry the world's economy. Today, we break down how the world's largest ship was constructed, step by step. The world's largest ships are ultra-large container vessels, engineering giants stretching over 400 meters long. They don't just move cargo, they redefine what humans can build on water. Construction begins years before steel is cut. Naval architects design the ship digitally, calculating weight, balance, stress, and ocean forces. Every millimeter of steel must survive waves, storms, and decades of use. Once the design is approved, thousands of tons of high-strength steel arrive at the shipyard. Plates are cut, shaped, and welded into massive sections, some weighing more than airplanes. The ship isn't built all at once. It's constructed using the block method, hundreds of giant sections built separately, then joined together with extreme precision. Even a few millimeters of error can destroy alignment. Inside massive dry docks, cranes lift blocks heavier than buildings. Sections are welded together to form the hull, the backbone of the ship. This structure must withstand bending forces greater than earthquakes. Next comes the heart of the ship. Some engines stand taller than 4-story buildings and generate tens of thousands of horsepower. Electrical systems, propellers, fuel lines, and navigation systems are installed piece by piece. When construction is complete, the dock is flooded. For the first time, the ship touches water. This moment is one of the most dangerous. If balance calculations are wrong, the ship can fail instantly. Before carrying cargo, the ship undergoes sea trials, engine stress tests, turning tests, emergency stops. Only after passing every test is the ship approved for global operation. From a blueprint on a screen, to thousands of steel plates, to a fully assembled megastructure touching the ocean for the first time, the construction of MSC Irina reveals the incredible engineering behind our global world. Ships like this don't just move cargo, they move economies. And as technology advances, even larger vessels will soon redefine what humanity can build. If you want more naval engineering breakdowns and ship documentaries, subscribe for more.